One number. Lakbo. At record. Number 13. 13 Suraksa. Ini berjumpa mereka. Pasal dia. Wala. Hari pun number. Ini number. Number 10. Pasu number 7. Number 7 yang ada tempat penahan pasu number 10. Good. Number 15. 15. Pasu number 13. Suraksa. Dua dari number 10. Number 10 yang disediakan itu murah. Wala mereka one number 5. Number 10. Dengan tambah usaha Pasu number 13. Tunggu tapi nak pada Pasu number 13. Tunggu ya. Terus number 10. Tunggu ya. Wala number 10. Pasu number 13. Kurang kawan number 13 again. Number 15. 15 wala pare. Number 15. Tunggu ya. Wow. Start the foul. First, deep pass. So, given by number. Back to number 10. For 3. So, given by number 18. Back to number 9. Back to number 19. Back to number 14. Back to number 8. Third to discarded. Back to number 15. Tira. Easy to one. Number 7 for 3. 3 ball. 14 number 1 for the pass number 9, pass number 15, number 1, number 13. 15. 7 number 1 for the pass number 12. Number 5, pass number 9. Pass number 1, number 9. 7 Pasu number 10 only but Surya easy to board number 10 Pasu 14 Nagara Nawang number 14 Nagara Nababalan Pasu number 9 wala foul. Wow, back there. Back shot. Number 15. Surya. Easy to one by number 15. Number 7. Number 7 number 1. Bola to number 15. Number Surya. Wala one by number Surya. Easy to one by number 13. Pagbababan ng bola. Number 13. 13 bola. Number 1 by number 9. Pass to number 7. Surya. Easy to one by number 7. Number 9. Pagbababan ng bola. Pass to number 14. 14 para Wali number 10. Pass to number 7. Surya. Easy to one. Pass to number 10. Wali number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Akan kepada Sam. Easy to one. Number 10. Number 10, pass to number 5 Surya. Easy to ball by number 1. Number 9. Pass to 14. 14 discarded, pass to number 15. 15. Number 10, nagbababa ng bola, pass to number 10. Tawagin na number 1 by number 10. Pass to 40. Tumakas na wala number 10. Pass to number 7. Number 7 to Isikate, pasok number 9 to Mirando. Double D1 by number 10. Pasok number 15. Nakalit si Malakda. Easy to one by number 15. Number 10 to number 7. Number 7 to Isikate. Number 7. Nakalit ang papasahan. Pasok number 5 to Mirando. One by number 9. Number 9, paso number 7, paso number 9, Tumira, wala na, number 10, paso number 9, paso number 10, number 10, paso number 9, Tumira, wala na, rebound by number 9 again, number 9 naghanap na papasahan, Tumira ng doon, wala, number 9, paso number 9, 13, Malakda, wow! Bonus shot. Nahulog pa number 9. Nagkakwa. Pwede na nagparuman ng bola. Yung 9. Back to number 7. Number 7. Number 7 na mag-iikat. Matay 9. Ito na ng goal. Nahulog pa number 7 again. 7. Number 7. Foul. 3 ball. 7. Pasok number 5. Kaya na goal. Oh, Isikate, pasok number 15. Tumira, wala na. Wala na number 10. Number 7. Pasok number 10. Malakda. Easy to one. 43 yung Isikate. Pasok number 10. Number 10. Kaya yung Isikate tumira. Wow! Foul ulit. Given by number 8, 9, passing number 10, number 7. Tumira ng Dong. Easy to one. OTD. 1, 2. 55 seconds. 5 to Malakda. Easy to one. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. 35 seconds. Umikot. Wala na wali. 30 seconds. Wow! No, now 10 seconds. 91. Pass to number 10. Tumira ng 3. 4 seconds. Easy to one.